Good morning. Welcome back to my channel, Mrs. Greene at Home, and to my kitchen. Only today I'm not cooking or baking. I've been doing a lot of that and it's time to clean up. Okay, so I emptied everything out from around my sink. I'm going to clean my stovetop first because I made dinner last night, a new recipe where you brown the meat first. It was a stew and I made such a mess. So I'm gonna get busy cleaning. I'm gonna start with my Method Heavy Duty Degreaser on my stovetop. The top's done and it's shiny. Now I need to do the grates and the little covers. Here it is, my clean stovetop put back together. Hi, look, a delivery. Hello Fresh. Now that my hubby has gotten, yay, a new job, praise God, and it's local and it's Monday through Friday, I thought this is the perfect time to get inspired for meals. And okay, so I'm opening it up. Getting back to meal planning was going to be a little bit of a challenge right now. So I thought this might inspire me. And I'm so excited. We just chose 2 meals for 4 weeks. And we went online, picked out what we wanted to try. And I'm going to do one tonight. I mean, yay, I'm out of practice with meal planning, big time. With the kids grown and with hubby commuting, and it was just me. But now, here I go. Okay, so, hello, delicious meals. Okay, yes, I remember this one. It was cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. That sounds yummy. With chicken, yay. Okay, maybe we'll do that one tonight. Okay, and then the next one was, let's see, that's meal prep. Oh, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. Bono chicken spaghetti. That looks yummy too. I don't know. Which one should we have tonight? They both look yummy. Okay, so, all right, so they're wrapped up in this insulated bag and 2 little packages. Okay, get cooking. So this is one. Set that one aside. Here's another. Oh, this is the cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. All right, looks like some directions. Ooh, that's a cold pack. Okay, don't forget about ingredients, which may be hiding under the ice. Yeah, that's cold. Oh, wow. Okay, I've got to get the stuff unpacked. 2 packages of chicken breast strips, and I'm gonna put those in the refrigerator. Okay, so we have decided cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas for dinner. We'll open the bag and see what's in there. Okay, so it's unpacked. Look at the size of that pepper. Oh my goodness. Tortillas, a brown onion, Monterey Jack cheese, of course, Roma tomato, a lime, that makes sense. Some seasoning over here, Southwest spice, and sour cream. Oh, I can't wait to start. Okay, you guys, so here it is. The chicken has been seasoned. It's got the pepper and the onion in it. We're gonna have Southwestern fajitas real soon. Thank you, HelloFresh, for dinner. I'm excited. Cheesy chicken and pepper fajitas. Yum. Thanks so much for watching my video, and if you haven't subscribed already to my channel, Mrs. Greene at Home, please do so. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Oh, and I should mention, no part of this was sponsored by HelloFresh. We purchased it ourselves, and we liked it.